First step to adjust brightness of video footage or video in Capcut mobile is to—
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
highlight your video clip. Assuming you have Capcut open, as you can see, it's selected and highlighted. Now, at the bottom right hand screen, scroll to the right till you see the option which says adjust, which should be next to auto reframe and video quality. Click it. A couple different options here, but we want to click the fourth option, which says brightness, next to color correction and contrast. What this does is, if you drag this in the middle hand screen, right, notice our video clip is getting brighter. If we drag this to the left, clip or footage is getting darker. If you want, you can click the check mark and click a keyframe right here, so it adds a keyframe. Scroll to the right, other keyframe, and let's say we want to make this brighter. Do the same thing, scroll to the right and click adjust. Drag the brightness to the right so it's becoming brighter, and once you're happy or satisfied, click the check mark. This is what we have. Notice that the video is getting brighter, or